Want to earn money from home? Remotasks makes it easy. Just sign up, complete a quick training, and start tackling simple tasks like image labeling or transcriptions. It's flexible, easy to get started, and you can work at your own pace. Perfect for earning on the side. So you have to, right now, just to remember labeling, image labeling, and transcriptions because I will mention it in this video. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use remote tasks and how you can earn money from the remote tasks. Firstly, all you have to do is just open your browser and dive into remote tasks, and you'll find here like that, or you can just type here in the top remotasks.com and you'll find it like that, and you'll find the homepage which is like that, but it's before getting started with this platform, which is remotasks.com. Firstly, after getting started and show you how you can make money and the steps and all the full guide that could help you to getting started with this platform, let's know firstly what is Remotasks. So Remotasks is an online platform that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as image annotation, data labeling, and transcription. After sign up and completing some training, you can start working on various tasks at your own pace, making it a flexible way to earn income from home. So after signing up, all you have to do is just start by completing the necessary training for the tasks you want to do. The training helps you learn how to complete tasks like image labeling or transcription correctly. Once trained, you can start selecting tasks from the platform and working on them at your own pace. Each task you complete earns you money, and the more accurate you work, the better tasks you will have access to. So you can work whenever it fits your schedule. Just keep checking for new tasks and start earning. So firstly, all you have to do is just here come back to the dashboard because I will show you some important things, and this is the important note that you have to know if you want to earn money. Firstly, we have XP here, and we have also here in the earn more with remote tasks alert. We have here you can earn up to $21 per week in bonuses by participating in our RTE program, right? Also, we have here help center your account and other things, but first let's just go and click over here learn more to getting started and know more information about how it works with this platform, which is remote tasks. Firstly, we have what is remote tasks tires program. So it's a new loyalty program built to reward and recognize our top taskers on the platform. Taskers in the Remotasks Tires program will receive various additional benefits. So we have the benefits, you can just read to more understand. But right now, let's just go and let's know how do we join because we work together off right now, and I'm not all late. So by the way, how do we join the program? So to join each one of the remote tasks tires, you will need to earn a certain amount of remote points in a period of time to qualify. Firstly, you have to work, then you will just become preferred tire. So once you join any of the tires, you will start receiving the benefits for the tire. Once you become a preferred, you will have the chance to start working towards becoming an elite tire task to receive even more benefits, and then you become elite tire. Membership of the program is conditioned to constant quality reviews, and queue managers have the ability to remove spammers and taskers with bad quality. Then we have how do I earn more points. So right now you have to be attentive right now because we will just here know what is XP and remote points and how you can earn money or how you can earn remote points, and the remote points you will translate it to money. All right, so the first new concept we want to introduce is experience points, which is XP is meant to represent the amount of work that you have done on our platform. Every time you complete a task, you will receive a certain amount of XP. But the question that rolled over in our mind right now, how much XP you will get, and the XP it, it will be how much dollars and how much in money. All right, so I will show you how we can do that and how much money we'll earn. So firstly, we have remote point here. What is it? Each week you will have an XP goal, and if you meet it, you will be able to earn remote points. All right. Then we have standard taskers will be able to earn one remote points when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week. So we have an example here, and we have also in progress tracker, and we have it also in the dashboard. All right. So right now we have here preferred and elite taskers will earn one remote point when they reach 3,500 XP in 1 week, in addition to an extra three remote points when they reach 10,000 XP in that same week. I think you understand what I mean. Then we have progress tracker here, and we have here four remote points for this week. Then we have elite taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. So we have bonuses if we want more, and we have progress taskers 24. So we have only 10,000 XP. With the bonuses, you will get 24,000 XP. Then we have also how do I track my progress, and we have other information such as how does MTQ support work, how does support priorities work, how does the faster reviews work, and other things. Also we have bonuses here. L tires taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. The amount of bonus will depend on the total XP they accumulate each week. So we have L tire taskers will have access to weekly bonuses. The amount of bonus will depend on the total XP they accumulate each week. All right. So right now let's just come back to the dashboard, and I will show you here the progress taskers. So as you can see here, we have it right now, and we have XP here, and you get started by earning money. So we have you can earn up to $21 per week in bonuses by participating in our RTA program. So what is RTA program? Which is Remotasks Tires program tracker, right? So right now let's just go to the onboarding. So about this one, we will find here in the left browse projects such as data collection, and we have content and language. Today about this one, in the beginning of this video I mentioned before to be attentive, because I will here talk about transcription and image annotation. So this is how you can work, and you will earn money after that, or XP or reward points, and then you will earn money. So firstly we have here data collection such as generic data collection, content and language we have such as categorization, text highlighting, and transcription. About 2D, we will find here image annotation, image segmentation, and video annotation. About 3D, we have leader annotation and leader segmentation. In the right, we have Remotasks boot camps, and you have just to click over here to sign up, and you will started with these platforms, which is this one, as you can see. So let's just go here, and you have to add some information such as remote task email firstly, full legal name secondly, personal emails thirdly, and WhatsApp contact info as well. Then we have people email address, country, and we have also other things such as the specific information about your computer such as RAM, video card, processor type, and also speed internet. All right, and then you click over register once you're done. Also, we have the option of missions. About this one, you will find here important information such as missions are a way to earn additional rewards for completing completed world. Missions are paid out once all milestones are completed at or once the mission expires. You have task availability for missions is subject to customer demand, and having missions does not guarantee work to complete it. You have the last one, which is progress on hours based missions, including hub staff and data compute hours, may take up to 48 hours to update. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. You have just to be patient, and you have to get your experience, and you will, of course, you will earn money if you get your experience, because it's a platform for earning money. So you have just to be patient, and you will earn money. So that's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.